Hello and welcome to the Domino booth at Interpack. I'm Neil Cook, TTO Marketing Manager, and we're launching the 230i thermal transfer over printer. The V230i is the ideal TTO code for both replacement and new flexible packaging applications. With the low height of the printer means we can retrofit into your existing bracketry, which not only saves you cost of installation, but also reduces the downtime of your production. As with the rest of the Domino range, the V230i is operated by the quick-step user interface. This is simple to navigate and also easy to become familiar with. The V230i can easily match your application due to its wide operating window, with a maximum print speed of 750mm a second, and is available in both a 32 and 53mm printhead option. The V230i prints at 300 dpi, also allows you to print true type fonts, text, barcodes and logos. Domino's iTech ribbon control means that we can save you up to 60% per print on ribbon consumption. This dramatically lowers your total cost of ownership, with the added benefit of an all-electric machine, which further reduces these costs. The full electric operation also isolates us from the environment, so guaranteeing your print quality from start to finish. So to discover more, why not visit the Domino website, or alternatively, contact your local Domino representative.